Hello! In this video, you'll learn how to quickly crop images in Rise 360 without using any external tools. Let's get started. First, insert your image into any image block, like image and text or centered image. Hover over the image block and click the content icon, then choose Edit for the image and select Crop Image. This opens the built-in cropping tool. Use the drag handles to select the precise area of the image you want to keep. For avatars or flashcards, toggle Constrain to Square to maintain a perfect 1:1 ratio. Once you're happy with how the image looks, click Save. If you ever want to revert your changes, simply go back to Crop Image, drag the handles back to the original area, and click Save. Your full image will be restored. Note, this cropping feature works on most images, not on course cover photos or scenario block backgrounds. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, follow us for more.